Hi everyone, Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. If you're in Benidorm looking for some fun excursions, visit Free Time Benidorm. They do quad bike tours. They rent bikes from push bikes to scooters. They also do a lot of tours, buggy tours, jet ski tours. They also rent out UE scooters as well. As well, if you're looking for a mobility scooter, pop to see BMR Benidorm Mobility Rentals. Both just down there, guys, down the alleyway. Pop in and see them. I'm pretty sure they'll be able to sort you out. Of course, Santander just here as well. Be warned, they're not really similar to the English Santander. Same bank, just like, yeah, basically. And I think we had that problem when me and Dad were doing the extras. I think we thought we could open a Spanish account here because we had an English account, but apparently not. You can't do that. Yeah, weird. Anyway, guys, coming on further down the street, you got Grill 64. Oh. Grill 64 there, new bar, hair salon there, wouldn't use it because the blades fall out. And of course, if you're feeling a bit lucky, you got Casino Mediterranean. If you are feeling lucky, of course. Think I will go into the little square round here now. Have a look. Got Tony's Silver 925. Apparently that's a nice jewellery shop. Apparently do some pretty good stuff in there, guys. Newest mobility scooter shop, Butterfields. Now, if you're looking for a more permanent souvenir of your holiday, pop to one of the greatest tattoo shops in Benidorm, Tattoo Central. Tell them your design and they do it. They do some brilliant work as well, guys. If you remember the video of my Bad Boy Chiller Crew tattoo, they done it there. Of course, got the fountain as well. Cider bar in the background as well. Gonna come back round and cut back off onto Avenida Mediterranean. New vape shop as well. Be vape. Pop in for all your vape needs. And of course, Dr. Fish with Pedro, or Spanish amigo. Fish treatment, €5 for 20 minutes. Quite often get longer. Oh, I've had them done lots of times. It's beautiful. Have fun, guys. So yeah, as I was saying, Pedro He's a good bloke, he will make sure you're okay. Oh, jewellery shop here. Always like having a look that I got in. Nice bracelet and of course some Batman style watches as well. Might be popping in here some point when I do get a bit more money. So probably never. Anyway guys, yeah, we come back out onto Avenida Mediterraneo. You can get most buses from here as well, and any bus you do get from here does take you most places in Benidorm as well. So yeah, don't worry guys, even if you do come down to Avenida Mediterraneo just for a look, don't worry, you will be able to get back to where you're staying. Put Benidorm there as well. Haven't covered that for some time. Last time I think they were still doing the work on the side. I think they're doing a full extension, if I'm right. I think it's going to be more rooms. And apparently a new indoor pool as well from what I've heard. So should be pretty interesting to see when they are finished, of course.
I think the pool's in, Marcus.
What?
I think the pool's in.
Pool's already in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that told us here.
Just coming back down to the fantasy front now, guys. Think my mic's getting a bit agitated. Think he's raring to go, get himself some more films. Got another casino here.
Not doing Benidorm Mad Mike this week. We're doing Benidorm Ball, Marcus.
Okay. Yeah, Benidorm Ball, guys. If you haven't heard, Mike sadly lost his main channel. Well, he didn't lose it, he lost monetisation on it. So all the latest vids and live streams, they are going to be on the Benidorm Ball channel. Finally, finishing off at the Grand National Bar and Restaurant. So guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, comment down below as well if there's anywhere you want to see filmed. Feel free to send some jokes in or stories of times you've been in Benidorm. Enjoy, hit the like, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Adios, mi amigos.